How to download Age of Empires 2. So if you want to download Age of Empires 2, then first, if you have your Steam application, you need to simply open up your Steam and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, go for the search which is on the upper right, and then you need to search for Age of Empires. And you can choose the Age of Empires. You will have this 4, 2, 3, 4, or any of these versions. You can simply go for that, and then you can download the Age of Empires. So click on that. For example, I'll be choosing the 4th anniversary edition. And then if you scroll down, go for the add to cart, and once you added that to cart, you need to go for view my cart, and here you will have that item. So you need to simply tap on continue to payment, and then you need to pay, and you will be able to download that. Or you can also have another medium. You need to simply go for Microsoft Store, and once you've searched for the Microsoft Store, here you need to go for the search and search for Age of Empires. Once you've searched for Age of Empires, here you will have Age of Empires, every collection or every edition that you would like to download. So you can simply choose any one of those, and then you can download or buy the game. So that's how you can download Age of Empires. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.